welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Naz Arora. Today I'm very excited as I'm doing an Amazon haul after really long time, and I have picked up some selective few products for the same, and I've picked up products of daily use, utility basically, and that's about it. Let me show you guys, and without wasting any time, let's just get into the video. Okay, so the first product that I got is this Ross or Nos, I don't know, Ross hair scalp massager shampoo brush. This has been a great pick. It is such a nice brush. Like, it just relieves all of that headache and gives the pressure at the right place. Oh my god, feels so nice, and this is how it looks. I love it. You can insert your hand in it, and you can just simply massage it. And apart from using it as a shampoo massager, you can use this generally as well. So this costed me somewhere around 400 bucks, but it is a nice investment. I really enjoy using it while taking my head bath, and this is something I really find very nice. And yeah, this retails for 600 rupees, but I think I got it for 400, and it was a good deal. I didn't mind buying it at all. Next, I got this mini fan, and you can find similar fans on Amazon. This is so nice in this like humid weather. It has a charging cable, so you necessarily don't need to plug in any batteries. So it's perfect for that hot day, and you can see it gives a very nice blow dryer effect. It's very hot in Chandigarh, so if you're traveling and you need something on the go, also it has a LED light, if you see. So if you are traveling, this is something you can use, and even it helps to dry out my makeup really quickly, so I really enjoy using it. And this was also somewhere around 300 rupees. Next, I got these Tinkle razors. This is a face razor and an eyebrow razor. So I always get a set of three. These razors are easily available on Amazon, and they cost me around 150 or 200 rupees. I'm going to put the price on the screen so you can check it there. And this is what it looks like. It sharpens your eyebrows, like it removes the hair to precision, and it is just so good. This is, I think, my sixth purchase of the. This is my sixth purchase of this set, and this comes in three, so you can easily use it for 2 to 3 months, and you're good to go. Like, I don't have a lot of hair growing around my eyebrows in general, and if there are one or two, it really helps me pick them up very easily. It is very good to shape up your upper lip area as well, or chin area. So if you want a tutorial on how to remove facial hair using these, just mention it in the comments and I'll do that for you guys. So the next product is this Digitech mic that I got from Amazon. So let me show you how it comes. This is one of my rare tech purchases. This is the mic that I got. So I got it at a very good price. I got it for 2600, and it is originally priced around 4000 rupees. So it has this box which has this mic, then there is an attachment for the phone, and then there's another mic. So two mics and one attachment, and of course it comes with a set of oh, it comes with a set of accessories to plug into your phone, and the fur cover, everything. So this is also very good purchase, and much needed for my vlogging career. So I think this is a good buy. And recently I've just invested in products that I really need. I have become a conscious buyer. So you need a cable plug to charge this, which I already have in this kit which comes with it. Then there is the iPhone device which is already attached to my phone. That's why the sound today is so much clearer. So this is the with the type C to lightning converter, which is attached in your iPhone, and it's perfect for iOS and Android both. devices, and it is very, very useful. So the last purchase that I have to show you guys is my makeup cleansing brush. No, I mean my brush cleanser. This machine is something that I got from Amazon. It says makeup brush cleanser, gives you a new brush. So you insert your brushes into the water tub, and then you press on this button, put your solution in it, and then it just washes off your brushes. I'm yet to try how it works, but I have seen a lot of videos of this online, and I thought of ordering it. Let me show it to you guys. Well, this is what it looks like. So this is the place where you insert your brushes, and this is the silicone wand. Then there is a rotator to cleanse it, and yeah, that's about it. And these are pretty flexible, so you can insert like your big brushes and the small ones. Let's just put one to trial. Like I'm not going to start off with it. Let's see. Of course, I know it's like you insert it, and then that's how, like, it's like inside. So you put in water and then it cleanses off. Let's see. I'll review it in my shorts, and we'll see how it performs. And that's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this Amazon purchase haul, and I will see you very soon. Much love. Mwah. Bye. Guys, also don't forget to follow me on all my social accounts. That's Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, Snapchat, and I will see you very, very soon. Mwah. Bye. Much love.